The alphabet is magic. By arranging these little symbols in different ways, we can express thoughts, feelings, entire worlds. Pay homage to these letters with a beautiful alphabet poster you can easily make in an afternoon, and draw focus to the things in life you love the most. Let me show you how. Start with a sheet of A3 watercolour paper. At the top, draw a box for where your title will sit. Underneath that, draw 26 boxes, one for each letter of the alphabet. Use the ruler and take your time so that everything lines up nicely. Make your boxes slightly taller than they are wide. This gives you space to add a small rectangle at the bottom of each one. We'll be using that later. In the bottom right corner, draw one wider rectangle that stretches to the edge of your grid. What's this for? All will be revealed soon. Now, fill in each square with letters of the alphabet. You can use any kind of style you like, serif, sans serif, script, etc., whatever suits your taste. I'm going freestyle and creating a curved flowing typeface. Begin with pencil, and once you're happy, go over everything with a fine liner. Now we can fill in the space beneath the letters. For each one, think of a word that comes to mind, something that means something to you, maybe a hobby, something you enjoy or love, and write this word underneath the letter. Repeat for the whole alphabet until you have a personalised list of things that make you smile. Time to add colour and magic. You can use any medium you like for this, and I'm going to use these granulating watercolour paints as the effect they give is quite magical, and I think it will pair well with my mystical letters. Instead of filling in the letters themselves, I'm painting around them, creating a very loose block of colour. This keeps the white of the paper inside the letters and makes them stand out against those moody tones. I'm choosing to take this approach for two reasons. One is to create more of an obvious grid-like pattern and give more strength to the letters. But I also feel that this medium lends itself well to a more broader brushstroke. And if I just used the paint to fill the letters, you wouldn't notice the subtle textured effect so well. So think about how your chosen medium behaves and choose an approach that works well with it. To create a subtle rhythm, I'm repeating the same colour for every fifth letter. Now you can add in a title for your alphabet poster. This can be whatever you wish, so long as it fits inside the box. So make sure to start with pencil first to see how your desired title can fit the space. My first attempt was too large, so I had to try again before committing with black marker. I'm treating the title the same way as the letters, painting around it, but this time I'm blending all the colours together for a richer effect. and to make it stand out even more, I'm filling these letters in with a thick black marker. Outlining the box with a thin black stroke, and also adding a touch of white gel pen around each letter to give them a soft, mystical glow. Finally, let's add a quote into that larger rectangle at the bottom. This could be linked to language, letters, or gratitudes to fit the theme of the poster. My quote is by Oscar Wilde from one of his books I absolutely adored, The Picture of Dorian Gray. It is what you read when you don't have to that determines what you will be when you can't help it. I think this one is quite apt for today's society with social media, but take from it what you will. And we're finished. A beautiful alphabet poster you can display in your home, a reminder of all the things in life worthy of love. If you enjoyed this project, please like and subscribe and take a look at some of my other creative ideas. Thanks so much for watching.